All these tall trees. Do we have the bus?
Yeah, we got the bus.
Yes. I caught that on film. God.
Slick as
It's slick as shit. Damn, Neil.
this is the only light that went down. My other light's just fucking fine.
God. Oh, shoot.
Oh, I got mud on the bag.
No.
Care about the bag more than I care about myself.
Okay, we're into...
Dude.
Damn you, Neil. Hit. The nipple. Yeah. Well, I didn't get hit. I didn't actually get hit.
Then why are you out?
I just didn't want to get hit.
Then come right up.
I can't get up. Oh god.
Just grab and reach. Oh my god.
Okay, you're up. I'm yellow too, just saying.
Hit me in the nipple. That hurt. They did.
Gosh. I can't get up here. I'm too fat. Fuck, damn it.
Here, let me try.
Oh. You can... Get my hand. Get my hand.
Henry's too. Look, no. Oh my god.
Oh god, I almost fell again. Holy shit. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, it's Neil. Hit! Medic! again. Hit again. Yeah, it's going. You got a little bat for? Oh.
How's the left look, Charlie? Wow, there's this.
Take a left right here.
Right.
I don't care. I forgot to even take off this. 1 second.
Oh, yeah.
What? 1 second, homie, I'm struggling.
Our guys have this area, this right side, completely
Blue?
blue or yellow? Yellow.
Yeah. What's going on right now? Yeah?
You know, you should have climbed up here while I'm on the stairs, trying not to be in anyone else's way.
Well, it's really safe here.
Stand on a staircase. They can't shoot you through there. Your head can't fit. Top of the alley on the left side. You see your head? Water. Anybody got water?
I do.
Do I have sit?
Backpack.
Oh, I see them. You are king. You know what? You want a $1,100 Crytek? All yours.
Oh, I can have it.
I can't get this away. Never mind. Got life again.
I still need a water?
There's one in this, so there's one in this guy. You need it out?
No.
Holy shit.
There's no other way to go. Here.
Hey, check my air. There should be on one of the sides. Should be like green or yellow.
It's like on the borderline of green.
Probably fucking gay.
Like all together, HVAC tank, regulator, engine and gun.
I don't have a good heat on. Hey, get that kid that's running across.